and your tender love.
Hey everyone, my name is Kimi if you are new to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me. Alright, I'm excited to film this video because I haven't filmed in a long time and I keep saying that I'm going to film. So let's just get right into it and I'll just do a big ol' update. I'm going to start with this Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer in Radiance. This primer has a glow to it. So whatever, you know, I probably should not be using the viewfinder to do my makeup, but you know what? I'm here. I'm back living in the United States. I've been back for almost a month now. Like, I've tried to film this video and it's been like a month and I still don't have my a lot of my stuff from Switzerland, so I don't have a mirror or anything, so I'm just gonna have to use something else. Okay, next I'm going to be using the Physicians Formula, the Healthy Foundation, LN3, I think. I've used this foundation before and I like to use it a lot because of the SPF in it. And it's a sheer it's not sheer, I would say it's medium coverage, but I like it a lot because it's you can blend it easily and it's buildable. I'm gonna do just a little bit more. Got a cute pimple here and I like a little bit more coverage on my cheeks, and I'm gonna put a little bit down my neck so it all blends. So I wanted to do a get ready with me because I have a lot going on and I wanted to talk a lot for a lot of, oh, can I talk? I wanted to update and talk a lot about what's been going on. So a lot's been going on this week, especially because I had my first job interview, which was scary, but once I got there, it was really chill. The lady was so nice to me, and I'm actually supposed to be hearing back. I was supposed to hear either yesterday or today back from them, so I'm waiting for a call from them to get today, but if I don't get a call, then I just don't get a job. Yeah, other than that, I got a puppy. Oh, come here. This. Oh. If you don't follow me on Instagram or anything like that, this is Marlo. Marlo has his own Instagram, which will be in the description. Okay, he's sleepy. I'll leave him alone. Alright, I'm putting my hair up. I can't stand it. Alright, moving on. I'm going to be taking the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind and just putting it underneath my eyes, middle of my nose, a little bit here, a little bit on my chin, in the center of my forehead. Also earlier this week, I took a placement test for college classes because I will be starting college this fall. And I just got my schedule and it's a lot. Oh, I've always been excited to start school, but once I'm in a month in or something, I just don't want to do it anymore. Next, I'm going to be taking this Tarteist Pro Glow in the shade, and I'm going to be dipping my beauty blender into it. I'm going to just cream contour. A little here, a little here. Yeah, so a lot's been going on. If I get this job, I want to be doing full-time, obviously, because I'm in school. Well, I will be in school, and I'll just be doing part-time. Yeah. I hope the lighting's okay. I really want to get a ring light, but some of them are just so expensive. Oh, this smells good. It smells like chocolate. Cute. I don't know what look I'm going for today. I was gonna do like an easy go-to summer look, but I just did, not just did, but one of my recent videos was my everyday makeup routine. And I don't know if that's gonna be repetitive or not. Next, I'm gonna take the Milani powder in translucent light medium. Take it on my sponge again. Just probably put, oh, I need to put it in the lid. I hate putting it in the lid. Powder is so messy. I don't know how people do it. Okay, I'm just gonna put this under my eyes. Just, ow! Ah. Oh, that hurt. Oh, don't cry. Oh, don't cry. Okay, I'm good. And I like to put it on my nose because my nose is what gets oily a lot. So I'm not necessarily baking, I'm just stamping it in and just setting it. I'm gonna put a little bit on my eyelids too. Even though I didn't put any creams on my eyelids. Oh, yeah. Did I? I don't think so. Oh well, I'm still doing it. And then for the rest of my face, I'm gonna be taking Fit Me Maybelline Matte and Poreless in the shade Buff Beige. And I'm gonna take my Morphe E41 brush and just put it all over lightly. In the summer, I think it's really important to definitely do a lot of creams and not as much powder, because powder is what's gonna wear off first, and creams tend to last longer. So that's why I did cream contour. Well, the shade made it really more of a bronze, but also I do use a lot of powder just because I have oily skin. But if you don't have as oily skin, then I would recommend doing creams because it will last longer. And this powder is going everywhere. Cool. Next, I'm gonna use the same Tarte Pro Glow, and I'm gonna use the shade Sculpt, I'm gonna use the shade Sculpt, which is the more cool tone powder on the palette. I'm not really a contour kind of girl. Even though this is a contour shade, I'm kind of blending it out into a bronzer. I don't know. Just go with the flow, do what you want to do. I'm not a professional, I just kind of slap some stuff on my face, you know what I mean? And, oh, this is the Morphe R10. And I'm gonna take a different brush that's from Nowhere, Amazon. And it's like a paper brush. I'm just gonna run it down my nose. I really hope this lighting's okay. I'm gonna see it when I'm editing and be like, what the heck? What else can I talk about? I've been applying to many places this week, and then I got the interview. I actually had an interview. I don't know if I said that, but I had an interview. Oh yeah, I did say that. That was the first interview I've ever had, and I didn't get called from any of the other places, but I think I'm gonna call, if I don't get called today, I'm gonna call the other places and follow up on my application. All right, next I'm going to take this Milani Tea Rose Powder Blush. And I'm gonna, and on a random brush again, lightly put why is this kind of glittery? When I came back and I had all my makeup in my luggage, because I did not all of it, but I wanted to make sure I had a lot of it so I could film. When I got here, one of my highlighters broke and it went everywhere. I still need to clean my brushes. Well, oh, where's my brush? Right now I'm in a state of mind. I wanna be like that all the time. I lost my brush. Where'd she go? Ah, there she is. Oh, I can't see. This is the Mary Illuminizer. A little bit up here, a little up here. Okay. I don't really do much for my eyebrows. I'm gonna just go ahead and put them on and be right back. All right, the eyebrows are kind of struggling, but That's all right. I think I'm gonna scooch in just a little bit more for my eyes. I think I'm gonna do my go-to summer look. I'm gonna take my Morphe M504 and I'm gonna take the Too Faced chocolate bar and I'm gonna first go in with salted caramel. And with this shade, I'm just going to be putting it all over my lid because I like the look of light brown shade all over the lid and then just buffing it into the crease. I have so many video ideas thinking about doing a skincare routine because I know I get a lot of compliments on my skin and I get really excited when people say that because my skin used to not be the best. Next, I'm going to be taking the Morphe M433 and I'm going to take milk chocolate, just darken up the crease just for a little bit more dimension. I know this is such a basic look, but I really like watching these videos, especially like go-to makeup looks or everyday makeup routines because of the products. I really like seeing what products people use. And then I'm going to use the same brush and I'm going to go a little bit darker. I'm going to use Semi-Sweet. Focus that more on the outer corner. Oh, also about my eyebrows. I didn't show it because it was the same as my everyday makeup routine, so if you want to see how I do my eyebrows, I just basically do the same thing, but I switch out the products. Okay, this eye is not having it. I'm gonna go in with my Morphe E18 and I'm gonna mix milk chocolate and salted caramel underneath my eyes. Alright, going back to the Tarte's palette, I really like it because there's so many different shades. I'm gonna go in with Lit. Put that on my inner corner. I'm also gonna put that shade on my brow bone. Now, I'm gonna curl my eyelashes and use mascara. I'm gonna be using the Too Faced Better Than Sex Waterproof Mascara. I feel like I forgot about something I wanted to talk about. I got a new camera. I said that in the beginning. I didn't talk about Marlo much. I got him 2 weeks ago. I'm so happy I got him. All my sisters have a dog and I have 3 sisters, if you don't know me that well. So we have 3 dogs, now we have 4. So it's kind of crazy in this house. He is a Australian Shepherd Terrier mix and he's gonna be bigger than all the other dogs. And the other dogs bully him right now. So I think it'll be fun to see once he grows up. They'll probably still bully him. I'm gonna use the Ardell Demi Wispies. Alright, I'm gonna be right back because that's really hard to film, especially because I have the hole in my mirror. Be right back. Alright, next, I normally don't wear lipstick on a daily basis, but for the sake of this video, I might just put a little bit of something on. But what I've been liking lately is this L'Oreal exclusive, collection exclusive Ava's Nude. Because it's kind of dark. Oh my gosh, I feel like it looks like...
Oh my gosh, it's a summer makeup look.
And then I'm gonna add a little pinky gloss. Not a pinky gloss, it's more of a like a shimmery, not really shimmery, what's not matte? What's the opposite of matte? This is the 915 Blushing Beige. I think this is Maybelline. I'm gonna put that in the middle. You know, we're gonna put that all over. That's cute. That, I almost cried. I literally almost cried. Is she okay? Oh, she's okay. She's okay. It's okay. It's alright. Okay. I think that's it. Oh no, I have setting spray. Let's zoom it out. That one on my nose. Oh! Alright, I think that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Follow all my social medias. All of them are linked down below. And I will see you in the next video.